Welcome to our channel. Today we are making a logical gates in different languages. Let's start. I'm creating three blocks of different languages: FBD, SCL, and STL. Also create one PLC data type. First two is inputs and last one is for output. And call the PLC data type in data blocks. Let's start from FBD. Drag and drop AND gate from his basic instruction. And in first input, drag and drop bit 0 and bit 1. And you cannot drag output directly. You need a equal instruction. You can get from here. This is equal instruction. Now you can drag and drop 50 number bits. Now it's fine. Let's download it. Now let's test. Turn on bit 1, bit 0. Look, one bit is high. When second bit is high, then output is true. When any input is 0, then output will be 0. Required both input is high, then output will be high. Otherwise, output will be 0 in AND gates. Let's move to SCL block. Let's create drag and drop the output. Shift plus enter. Then now drag and drop bit 15. Equal to then bit 0 and type AND. This is AND gate. Then paste next tag, make it space. Now it's healthy now. Now compile it and download it. Let's check this one also. True. The output will be 0. Look, all inputs and output is 0 now. Now high one first input, it's high, but output still 0. Now enable second input, then look, the output will be high. The AND gate is configured in SCL. Now compile it. Let's move to STL part. AND gate in STL. Now A equal to A look like AND gate, and paste it here and shift plus enter, then type A equal to second tag, then shift plus enter, type O here. O means output, or then okay. Compile it, then download. Let's do same thing as we done in both languages. Look, the input and output is 0 now. Let's trigger input 1. Input 1 is high, still output is not working. So let's check. There are little bit error inside where O is OR gate, not a output. So we need to equal to here, make it equal to, replace it, then compile it, and A is AND gate, like A also a NO bit. And compile it, then download it. Now look, the both input is high, then output is high. When one input is off, the output will be off. Let's make one NC and one NO with the AND gate. Look, this one you need to drag and drop it, then okay, we are using invert here in second network. Now download it. Now turn on one input, second input. It's not, when second input is pressed, then output will be true. Look, when second input is off, then output will be off. Let's move to SCL part. Let's make it and get with one NC contact. Make it note for NC in SCL. Download it. Let's check. Look, the output will be true. It's working. Let's move to STL part. Use AN for NC contact. Then may download it. You can uncall like this. Then download it. Let's check. I'm using first week now, as we done on previous language. Turn on second number bit. The output will be, and get programming has been done on FBD, STL and SCL. Thanks for watching our channel. Please like and subscribe.